Yo, hello guys. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the Microsoft Photos application not working on your Windows. If your photos won't open or the application keeps crashing, don't worry, we have an easy solution for this. Let's begin. First, click on your Start menu over here, then open Settings, or we can simply go to Applications and Features. Here, we can now look for our specific program or application, which is Photos on this search bar. So Photos, click on it, then you will see Advanced Options. Left click, scroll down, and you will see a section called Reset. First, we need to repair. Left click on this. It might take a few seconds. Once done, you can now click on Reset and then click on the reset. Alright, and once you've successfully went through all of these sections, now I want you to go ahead and try opening a photo. If it opens, then that's great. However, if not, let's move on to the next fix. Okay, go back to the same settings that we just went through, and rather than clicking repair or reset, click uninstall. Then simply click on confirm. Once you're done, I want you to go to your Microsoft Store. We're going to left click and then on the search bar, just go and type photos. Okay, photos, hit enter. Click on the very first search result, Microsoft Photos. Now I already have mine, so just need to click on install, download, or open in your PC. Okay, so once this process is completed, you can now close everything and try to open a photo. All right, so I'm going to choose one random photo, and then boom. Following all of these steps, everything should now be back to normal and your photos should now function as it is. I hope you found this video very helpful.